Namaskar, I am Dr. Akhil Srivastav and I welcome you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorology Department. Today, 2026, we will see how was the weather during past 24 hours and what we expect in terms of weather in the coming next 1 week. If we talk about the main highlights of today, then the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions, they are likely to continue to prevail over central and northwest India during next 1 week, over east and adjoining peninsular India during next 3 to 5 days. Also, there is a likelihood of reduction in maximum temperatures from 29th May onwards, leading to reduction in the intensity and spatial extension of heat waves. Isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is also likely over Kerala and Lakshadweep, Tamil Nadu, and over northeastern India and adjoining East India during next 4 to 5 days. Let's see about the observed weather during past 24 hours. Heavy to very heavy rainfall activity with extremely heavy rainfall activity, that is rainfall exceeding 20 centimeters, has been recorded at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya. Heavy to very heavy rainfall activity has been recorded over isolated places over coastal Karnataka. Heavy rainfall activity over Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura, Sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim, Bihar, Konkan, North India, Karnataka and Kerala. Hailstorm is also observed over Uttarakhand. Thunderstorm activity with wind speed between 60 to 100 km per hour prevailed at isolated places over Assam, Meghalaya, Odisha, West Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Southern West Bengal, and wind speed reaching between 40 to 60 km per hour over Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Marathwada, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Konkan, Himachal Pradesh, Saurashtra and Kutch, Madhya Maharashtra, East Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab, Haryana, and Uttarakhand. Heat wave conditions prevailed in East Uttar Pradesh, also in the East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha. Warm night conditions prevailed in the East Uttar Pradesh. If we talk about the advance of southern monsoon, then conditions are favorable for further advance of southern monsoon into some more parts of southwest and southeast Arabian Sea, Comorin area, southwest, southeast and east central Bay of Bengal and remaining parts of Andaman Sea during next 2 to 3 days. If we talk about synoptic conditions, the western disturbance as a cyclonic circulation was seen over Jammu at lower tropospheric level. There is also a cyclonic circulation over southern parts of Bihar in lower tropospheric level. A north-south trough runs from South Bihar to north coastal Andhra Pradesh. There is also cyclonic circulation over Assam and a cyclonic circulation over southwest Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. All we are expecting a fresh western disturbance to affect northwest India from 28th May 2026. With respect to temperature forecast, no significant change is expected in maximum temperatures over northwest India till 28th May. However, from 29th May onwards, we are expecting 3 to 5 degrees centigrade fall during next subsequent 2 days. Punjab state is expected to see rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade till 26th of May and then fall by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade on 29th and 30th of May. No significant change in maximum temperatures is likely over central India till 28th of May and gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade on 29th and 30th of May. And similarly, in East India, no change is expected till 26th of May and fall by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade during 27th to 30th of May 2026. If we talk about warning with respect to different weather features, then we are expecting thunderstorm activity to affect northwest parts of the country, particularly Jammu and Kashmir, likely to see 50 to 60 km per hour wind speed, thunderstorm, and also hailstorm activity, and orange alert has been issued. With respect to heat wave, most parts of the northwest India, which you can see, a red alert has been issued for East Uttar Pradesh, East Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, considering the heat wave to severe heat wave conditions and warm night conditions. Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan is expected to see heat wave conditions. And if we talk about western parts of Uttar Pradesh, West Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, heat wave conditions, warning has been issued with orange alert. Coastal Andhra Pradesh and Gangetic West Bengal are likely to see hot and humid weather conditions. In northeastern parts of the country, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is expected. Isolated extremely heavy rainfall is also expected over Assam and Meghalaya today, that is on 24th of May 2026, and accordingly a red alert has been issued. In South Peninsular India, thunderstorm activity is likely to continue and we are expecting heavy rainfall activity over southern parts of the country, particularly Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep. In day 2, day 3 also, the heat wave conditions are likely to continue over central and northwest parts of the country, particularly Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha and Odisha. With respect to thunderstorm activity, the southern peninsular India and northeast parts of the country is likely to see thunderstorm activity and also heavy rainfall activity is expected. Heavy to very heavy rainfall activity is likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya on 25th and over Assam and Meghalaya on 26th of May. Heat wave conditions are also likely in the western Himalayan region on 26th and 27th of May, particularly over Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. If we talk about the other parts of the northwest parts of the country, then on 27th and 28th, the heat wave to severe wave conditions are likely over Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, heat wave conditions over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. However, there is a reduction in intensity is expected from 28th onwards and the heat wave conditions are likely over Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha on 29th and over Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh on 30th of May 2026, thereby reducing the heat wave conditions over many parts of northwest India. However, in central and adjoining Rajasthan, the heat wave conditions are likely to continue on 29th and 30th of May. Thunderstorm activity, as we are expecting a fresh western disturbance to impact northwest parts of the country, and thunderstorm activity is likely to increase over plains of northwest India as well as in western Himalayan region, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh on 29th and 30th, and in the eastern parts of the country over Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and Telangana. With respect to heat wave conditions, high temperatures are likely to cause heat-related illnesses. So all are requested to kindly avoid the heat exposure, wear lightweight clothes, cover your head when you are going direct sunlight, and drink sufficient water even if you are not thirsty. This is for today. We will meet again with similar kind of information. Till then, Namaskar, Jai Hind.